Okay, so I used to be the guy that said there was only one method, one legitimate method of actually enlarging your penis or whatever, which was stem cells. Because that, to me, that I thought from my research that was the only scientific method. But recently, I've actually stumbled upon another method called phalogenic traction. Now, there's a link below this video. If you click that link, you can watch an entire presentation on what that is. That's actually something I didn't know really existed, but it actually does, and it actually works. It's a method that you can do at home as opposed to having to go out and buy, the stem cells or whatever that people have been using to try to regenerate their puberty or whatever. You can use phalogenic traction. It's a lot easier, it's a lot simpler. You just have to be a little more dedicated to it, but you see results often within or before 12 weeks, right? So I mean, to me, that's worth it. So like I said, there's a link below this video. You can watch the presentation. It'll give you a lot more of the details and the science behind this entire process. But I just pretty much have to stand corrected where I thought that there was only one scientific method, which was stem cells. Now I understand that there's another one, and this adds about 4 inches within 12 weeks if you do it correctly. Now that's the process. That's the part where you come in, where you have to actually be diligent and consistent in the routine that is given. But some of this shit you can do in under 15 seconds. It's not all of it's a lot that you have to do, but you have to be consistent with it. That's the problem. So that's where you come in, and the human error comes in or whatever. But other than that, this shit actually works. So now I have to say there's two methods. There's stem cells, which is probably way more expensive than this, because this shit you can buy is cheap as fuck. Like the materials or whatever that you use it, you might already have it in your home. And then there's phalogenic traction, which is another scientific method, but it's probably easier for the everyday guy, you know. So, like I said, click the link below this video, and you'll be able to watch this presentation and see for yourself, man. Just try it out. Oh, and it's backed by money back guarantee, no questions asked or whatever. So if the shit don't work, you get your money back, so you're not losing anything. That's the best part about these types of products. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.